There are 4 questions. Like I said before, almost every section is 4 questions about it. 3 of the 4 questions are going to be calculations. 1's a concept question of momentum. So here's the exam problems I found. Okay. These are really straight from tutorials. Look these over. This first one I found, I'm not sure which slide it's from, but you got to find the momentum. So m times v. Simple, just do the multiplication, right? But oh, here's one trick though. You got a girl on a bike. She weighs 25 kilograms, but her bike weighs 5 kilograms. You got to remember to add that. I think there is one question like that on the test. You're able to add up your masses. Don't forget that. Forget that. So don't forget to look it over. Be careful. Then next problem is going to ask you guys to find the mass. Okay. Well, if you know what momentum is, again, momentum is going to be kilograms meters per second. So if you see something like that all written out as a unit, that's your P. And if it gives you velocity meters per second, then you get an ask for M, and will come out in kilograms. Okay. Simple algebra. We're down here. Then we ask you here for find the velocity. Okay. Well, we know what the kilograms, the unit for momentum actually is. You know your grams out here, so it's foolish to fool you about right here. They'll say grams. You gotta make sure to put that in kilograms. Okay. So again, these questions look very carefully units. That's where they try to trick you at. So make your grams into kilograms. So divide it to 1,000 grams per kilogram. Divide by 1,000, work with 3 places left, your decimal, to get 0.02 kilograms. Then you plug in the equation. Okay. So any question you guys see is got math, always double check units. Make sure it's written the way it's supposed to be. If it's not, you gotta convert. Okay. So the relationship between 2 formulas demonstrates as the momentum increases. Here's your concept question, the test I talked about. There's 3 math questions like this, and there's 1 concept. Don't forget, if you increase momentum, you're also increasing kinetic energy. So if a car is going 50 miles per hour, okay, it's pretty hard to get in front of it and try to stop it, right? Or it's going 2 miles an hour, I get out in front of it and hold it, push back on it, hold it, and stop it pretty well. Well, a car, if you take your foot off the gas when you're going that fast, you actually have momentum at that point. You're not putting more energy into the car. It's still moving all by itself. At that point, a car go 50 miles per hour, has momentum. Well, I still got kinetic energy and momentum both. It's still no one can stand in front of it, right? So it's gonna be hard to stop. So it's, and if you're going 2 miles an hour and not push the gas at all, it's a little easier to stop. So kinetic energy increases, so is momentum proportionally. They kind of go together. That's a concept I'll be asked for on the test as well. Okay, I'm going to finish right here, and then next week I'll cover impulse. I'll cover there's a lot of hard calculations for impulse. I spend time on conservation of energy and the calculation involved in that. And I spend time on collision 2 dimensions, which are the harder ones. This is the hardest section of the whole unit. At that point, be all ready for you guys to go for Unit 4 test. Okay.